So guys, my first ever video. Yeah, this video is gonna be I'm small. I'm actually 9 years old. My birthday is on January 30th. My name is Affan, Affan, and I will upload videos about Minecraft and stuff like that, and more, like Minecraft reaction videos, Mr. Beast, CSG Craft, reacts, some horror stuff, Saturdays, haunted stuff and everything. Yeah, that's all. This is my first ever video. Write in comments what should I do for my second video. Tell more about me, or go on reaction video first, or play Minecraft. Your choice.